Okay, here is a quick tutorial on how to enhance the quality of your image. Come over to your Google and type in picture quality online, enhance picture quality online. Then there are so many free enhancing tools here. You can just pick one, but for the purpose of this class we would be picking let's enhance. So just click on it and it will bring you to this part. All you have to do is to go to where you have you see where you have drag and drop anywhere to upload. Click on to upload. Then at this point you would pick the material you want to enhance. Once you click on it, then you click on done. Once you click on done, it will bring you to this part. So I'm going to log in with my continue with Google. Once I click on continue with Google, it will take me to this part. Then I pick the Google account I want to log in with. Then it will bring me back to this place. The next thing I have to do is to just ensure that this blue tick is on the way it is, like this smart enhance and auto. Then I come down and click on start processing. Click on start processing, come over to this X here and cancel this. Then wait while it loads. So you just have to be patient and you see processing. So it is done here. Now look at this. So before it was 1563 by 1563 pixels, but now after enhancing this photo, that is increasing the quality of this photo, it increased to 3126 by 3126 pixel. If you know that you have any picture that the quality is low, be it your logo, and you want to enhance the quality, just use this process and you would get the perfect enhancement done for your image without paying any money. Okay, the next thing you'd like to do is to download. Click on that drop down arrow and allow it to download. As you can see, downloading, and now it has been downloaded. All you have to do is either to click on open to find the file, and you would see the image you just downloaded in your gallery. So see you in another tutorial. For more videos like this, ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and visit my channel to see more videos. Bye and have a blessed day.